Let us construct a similar triangle for the given measurements. AB equal to 4 centimeters, BC equal to 5 centimeters, CA equal to 6 centimeters. The given ratio is 3:4. Let us draw the first of all a triangle AB. The line segment AB is equals to 4 centimeters. Name this one as A. B is equals to 4 centimeters. Now using the rounder, take 5 centimeters. Now with B as a center, draw one arc of length 5 centimeters. Next, CA equal to 6 centimeters. Using the rounder, take 6 centimeters. If the measurement is not supporting, just go for the extension of the arc. For the length will be the same. Now name this point as C. Join B to C and C to A. Yes, fine. Then afterwards, we know the procedure how to divide the given line segment. The same thing need to be taken here. AB is the line segment. So divide that line segment. That is equals to draw the acute angled ray. Name that acute angled ray as AX. Now divide this AX ray into 4 number of parts. See here, since it is a proper fraction, you will get a triangle inside of the given triangle. Now we will go for the 4 consecutive parts. 3 and this is 4. Then afterwards, name this point as A1, A2, A3, A4. Then afterwards, from A4 to B, you need to join it. This completes about that. Then afterwards, with A4 as a point, take some convenient radius, draw one arc. Then afterwards, with A3 as a point, with same radius, you need to draw the arc. With A4 as a point, take some convenient radius and draw the arc. That arc will touch us AX and also A4B. Then afterwards, measure the magnitude of the angle. Then where this is intersecting, keep that point and cut it. Then from A3, you need to join this one such that it will becomes as a parallel to the given line. These two lines will be the parallel because this angle and this angle are equal. After that, what you need to do here is name this point as B dash. Up to this concept based on the line segment. Then afterwards, take down the point B vertex and draw one arc intersecting AB and BC. With B dash as a point with same angle, you need to draw the arc. Sometimes it may cut, sometimes it may not cut. Then afterwards, with this point, measure the magnitude. Now measure this length from here. Then afterwards, keep the rounder at this position and cut it. Then using B dash and this point of intersection, Draw one line intersecting AC at the point AC dash. Then see here, this is C dash. Then you are having a triangle. The first triangle is AC B. The second triangle is AC dash B dash. Okay, that is the concept of this one. Similar corresponding size. Now if you go for the measurement to each and everything, A dash will be similar to AB, AC dash is similar to AC, then B dash will be similar to B dash and C dash. Therefore, triangle ACB is similar to triangle AC dash B dash. That is the concept of this construction.